Okay, so 15 years ago, my dad brought me to the movies and he allowed me to watch any movie that I wanted to. I walked into the movie theater and we were the only people in there. But it was one of the best movies that I've ever seen. I'm talking about the Judy Blume Not So Bummer Summer. That was such a great movie to me. And all other past summers, I've just been working. But this summer, I can't work because I'm unemployed. Funny but not funny. I do feel like God is prepping me for a new season in my life. I am also going to use this time to have a little bit of fun. Free fun, but a little bit of fun. I made a 25 item summer bucket list. This past weekend, I spent some really good quality time with some friends and I knocked off 2 things off of my summer bucket list. I saw some animals and I went to a new beach. I'm gonna say new beach because I have been to a lot of beaches and I'm pretty sure I have been to this beach when I was little, but I don't really remember it. So we're just gonna call it new again. But without further ado, I hope that you enjoy the video and thank you for watching.
Got it?
We're here. What?
The horse just hit the lady.
Oh no. Which one do they take? Everything?
Yeah. Feed everything. Oh no, this one.
That one feeds everything?
Yes.
Mama, now you did make my day. See us just now, I don't go feel let you go away. Oh, yeah, guys, baby, give me that vibe. Great body, make a hold you tight. Now you be the one where they bust my mind. Don't go slow down, then too fine. Bala for who don't feel this kind of joy. I could get by your side forever. Nobody go feed to the sundown. Bala for who don't know.
I can go in there? Oh.
Now you be my only treasure.
Oh, Darlie, he likes you.
It's trying to bite me. You see it?
I think it's because it's clothing.
Is it trying to play?
Yeah. You better hurry up before he actually bites your skin.
Oh, it's so soft.
Darlie, behind you.
Now you be my number one.
This is gonna be your lifestyle. I'm just gonna join you.
These hopes of mine could really break me, or catch me by surprise.
I'm not a golfer.
Face it,
If I'm gonna try my best.
skin inside a basement. LA kids just trying to make it before the next sunrise. So who's that knocking at your door? Feels like we've been here before. Cause I've been set back, broke down, and I'm not wearing out.
Tea time talk. This is not my sport at all. But I'm trying. I'm hot. I love horses, guys.
You're a horse girl.
I think I'm a horse girl.
She's a horse girl.
Cutesy little vibe. They've got the classic, you know, t-shirts, hoodies.
It's so cute.
The fact that their eyes are just like, I'm like, huh?
Very unique.
That's a good way to put it.
Ooh. I am at Anna Maria Island and it's so windy over here. I came with two of my friends, Mia and Alyssa. We're originally from Tampa area. I'm so like, oh my gosh, look at this. Look, it's falling, it's falling, it's falling. It's like actually insane how windy it is. Okay guys, give me 1 second. Hey, thanks to Alyssa, we are back in action.
Hey, we good to go. We ball.
We ball. Like I was saying before, it is a super nice day out. Like I'm glad that there's a breeze. I guess you can never complain about too much of a breeze, especially on a really hot day. But that breeze was just taking down our tent, honestly. But we went ahead and fixed it. The girls are in the water. I was going to eat like some chicken, honestly. Like I'm kind of hungry. I'm probably gonna get back in the water. I don't know. I feel like I'm not a water girl today. Like I just want to take a nap and chill under the tent in the shade. I have officially entered my unemployment season as of last week. I feel like I'm living life. But a part of it comes with like, I don't know how to feel because I feel like I should be working and it's like hard. And I'm so grateful that I have like a little bit of money in my bank account to where I can do things like this as of now. But I need to work. Like I need to work. Like I really want to get the genuine point of view off the ground because I feel like God is pushing me towards that. I just need to put in the work. I should have brought more water. We're getting a hot dog on the water.
Dog on the water. Dog in the water. Hot dog, hot dog.
Dog in the water.
And we got a wave coming.
Nice. Mia.
Let's feel alive, let's feel the heat. Afrobeat moves my feet. Underneath the setting sun, feel the rhythm, feel the fun. Take my hand, let's dance away. Tomorrow's just another day. We move, we groove, no time to waste. The music's got us in the daze. Let's feel alive, let's feel the heat. Afrobeat moves my feet.
I love it here. I love the beach so much. I love my friends. I love the beach. I love my life. I love Jesus. Life is good. Definitely got to go to the beach more often this summer.
Here, you can put it back in the cooler. It's not like there's anything out next to it. Freeze. What? Not a single ounce of sand get out?